In today's video, I'm going to tell you what is AI, but not with all that fancy terms like which you heard before, like neural networks or stochastic gradient descent. But we're just going to focus on the sole heart of AI and how it works and what is it. So let's get straight into the video. Everyone talks about AI, from ChatGPT writing your essays to self-driving cars. But when you try to figure out how AI actually works, you hit a wall of jargon like neural networks and stochastic gradient descent. The core of almost all modern AI, especially the stuff you use daily, all boils down to one simple concept. I'm going to explain it to you in under 8 minutes, using nothing but a simple box. So forget all the fancy math. Think of AI just as a smart classification box. Our job as programmers is to train this box to make decisions. Let's use the simplest example. Telling the difference between a spam email and a not spam email. Normally we would write rules like if it has 10 exclamation points, it is a spam. But we don't do that here. We are just going to feed the box thousands of examples, a bunch of emails that would definitely spam and emails that are definitely not spam. This is known as labeled data. The box then measures everything about the data, the word count, the density of words, the capitalization, and finds the statistical boundaries that separate the two groups. It's looking for patterns that a human wouldn't easily spot. The process of feeding the label data and having the algorithm adjust its internal settings is called training the model. Once the box is trained, we give it a brand new email it's never seen. And the smart box then confidently tells us that's 98% likely to be spam. This fundamental process is called classification, and it's the foundation of everything from your email filter to medical diagnosis AI. So, how do you build this smart box in Python? It's surprisingly simple. We use a library like Scikit-learn, which is a very powerful library and is packed with all the necessary algorithms. The crucial first step is turning our real-world data, like the words in an example or the pixel colors in an image, into numbers that the computer can use, which is binary. These numbers are organized into feature vectors. For our email example, one feature vector might look like words 150, links 3, and capital letters 50. We then use a few lines of code to split our label data into two groups, a training set and a test set. We only feed the training data to the model so it learns. Then we use the test set data the model has never seen. To see how well it performs, the success of the AI is entirely dependent on the quality of that data and the accuracy on its predictions on the test set. So, if this video helped you understand how ChatGPT solves your homework and finally made AI click for you, then make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. See you soon.